Hey, it's Bernie with Raw Customs Designs. I'm under the Impala here, looking at the exhaust, the catalytic converters, to see what I won't be able to use them or not. So there's the end. Oh no, let's see if I can get a freaking ratchet on that. The catalytic converter itself looks fine. No holes or anything. It's solid on there as far as the mounting. So if I can clean this up, and there's actually, yeah, so I'll have to work on that, but looks like we're good. Can attach some exhaust right to that and get this thing exhaust. Looks like I need the middle cross member there. Look at that. That's rusted right through. It's kind of structural, so I definitely need to replace that, which hopefully on the Caprice that I have, which is my parts car, it'll be good, and then I'll be happy. Rest of the floor looks like surface rust. I need to check all the A-arms, all the suspension pieces and all that, but all the other stuff looks decent. Frame rails look okay. So still got my exhaust hangers back there on one side anyway. The other side, maybe. But some right there. Can't tell on the other side. I can't get over there just yet. Alright, so next step is I'm going to go up to the local parts store. I've already called on a price, and to get exhaust from the cat's back. It's just a temporary thing so I can get this on the road, and then I'll actually get some exhaust that I want to get for the sound that I'm looking for. But right now I just want to be able to get it inspected and get it on the road. So I need to get the other car, the other Caprice, up on stands also, and see if the cross brace here on that one is good. Not even sure how that comes off, but hey, that's the joys of restoring a car. That exhaust shield is pretty much Dunsky, so we'll replace that too. I'll probably buy that new. But that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube pages, and all that. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Remember, Raw Custom Designs.